Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service Pocatello Weather Hazard Briefing for Monday, November 1st. This is what you'll see in this briefing. There'll be, after a foggy morning this morning, there is a slight chance of rain and snow that will spread through the area during the day today. And by this evening, some areas will actually have likely threat of precipitation. That would be a low elevation rain and high elevation rain and snow in some areas tonight. This will continue into Tuesday and Tuesday night. And then we actually have a break for about 24 hours, all day Wednesday night. And then there is a chance of rain and snow returning for Thursday and Thursday night. It is reduced to a slight chance of rain and snow through Friday and into Friday evening. And after that, it looks like another break. So kind of busy. Here is our satellite. These are the features that will be moving through over the next couple days. The larger storm on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then the next one, on Tuesday, and then the next one on Thursday will be coming out of this stuff at the coast, and it will be sliding through especially our southern zones, and that's where the heaviest precipitation threat will be. For the most part, is places south of the Snake River. All right, so this is our overlook for the next 5 days. You can see chances and slight chances in even some areas of likely rain and snow for tonight. The first place that'll see rain and snow is the Southeast Highlands and Eastern Highlands today, and then most of this will start tonight. By Tuesday, you can see likely rain and snow almost everywhere with the exception of Lemhi County, where it'll still be just a chance. They are the furthest away from this storm, being in our far northern corner, and so they have the lowest chance. And you can see it's continuing to be green. This is because the total snowfall for this Monday night into Tuesday and Tuesday night, the most snow we see is basically about 1 to 3 inches. Not very much, and it's also very high elevation. So a lot of this, even down at 6,000 feet, that whatever snow falls will actually probably at least partially melt. Then Wednesday and Wednesday night, we do have a break from all the weather. Then the next storm comes out of that intense low off the coast, and that gives a chance of rain and snow pretty much everywhere. That continues overnight. And then you can see it starts to let up first in the lower elevations in the Magic Valley and the South Hills, so the southwest side. They have really no threat on Friday, but it does continue in the morning for some of these locations. By afternoon, you'll see decreasing cloudiness and improved conditions. So let's look at how this will evolve. Here's a surface weather depiction for today. You can see the rain and snow areas are limited to the Central Idaho Mountains in our eastern highlands, all the way from the Montana to the Utah border. And this green area represents just rain. So here's how the snow will look during this time. You can see all the snow is light. You won't see anything get above an inch during any 6-hour time period. It's all this light blue color, and you can see it's pretty limited, even this morning. Then this afternoon, even less. And then during the evening hours, it comes back, especially here over the Sawtooth and Wood River drainages. And then, of course, late at night tonight, you're looking at even better snow. Okay, the temperatures for today, about the same as they were yesterday. A lot of cloud cover. Will struggle to reach into the middle and upper 50s here in the valley. And there'll be some limited 50-degree temperatures, mostly in the lower valleys of these Central Idaho mountains, and the same kind of struggle going on in the eastern and southern foothills. Overnight lows, we are getting a lot of below freezing, but it's limited to the valley locations in the mountains and in some of the highlands, especially the further north and the further east you go, and pretty mild with a cloud cover for the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Okay, this is what's going on for Tuesday. You can see things are starting to clear. You can see this area that won't be getting any precipitation and just some limited snow and then a lot of rain here sort of on the eastern part of our forecast area. So see how that works. Again, some light snow for the morning hours here in the central Idaho mountains and over into the upper Snake Highlands at least. And see some of it trying to hang on here even as far south as the Bear River Range. But by afternoon, with the warming temperatures, a lot less. And again, nothing above an inch in a 6-hour period. So this is really light. You can see here by the evening hours until midnight, now the snow is pretty much limited to this area here along the border with Wyoming. So, and then after that, nothing. So after midnight tomorrow night, we go into this break that continues into Wednesday and Wednesday night. So here are the temperatures for Tuesday afternoon. You see they're about the same, maybe a little bit colder, especially in the central Idaho mountains, by a degree or two, maybe 3, but that's about it. So very similar to the day before. Overnight temperatures, because we have clearing after midnight, a lot colder, a lot more 20s here in the central Idaho mountains. Meanwhile, the cloud cover is still keeping things a little bit better here in the eastern highlands and southern highlands. Okay, then here's Wednesday. You can see how the high pressure now is dominating. No precipitation at all for Wednesday or Wednesday night. Obviously, that's going to mean colder temperatures for the overnight lows and warm temperatures for the highs, or at least trying to turn it around. You can see here it's actually kind of just leveled off, and that's mostly because we did have a front come through the day before. It brought in the colder air, and so that is sort of offsetting the clear skies that we have for Wednesday. And so it's kind of a wash. Still temperatures in lower to middle 50s for the lower elevations. And then here you can see the colder temperatures return, and there's even some below freezing for Idaho Falls, Rexburg, even Pocatello is very close. And out here in the Bear Lake Basin and in the Caribou Highlands, lots of temperatures below freezing as well. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can contact us at this telephone number here, 208-233-0834, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.